What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? MicroScaleGarage here. Alright. Got an unboxing from Tiny 4x4. Oh yeah, Don's website. This is gonna be epic. Let's go ahead without further ado, wasting no time. Let's go ahead and open up the package. Very excited. Alright, I'm gonna set everything down. Oh, that's cool. I'm gluing that straight on my garage. These are the toe straps that I ordered. That sign's gonna go on my garage. Those are some epic toe straps. Where's my Jeep? Yeah, those are sweet. They're like a rubber material. Let's go ahead and open it up. I need scissors. Sorry about that. Just didn't want to damage the labeling. Alright, I'll pull one out. Let's see here, let's grab one of the tote crates. Oh, these are really cool. Oh, they're stretchy. I didn't really want to pull it, but oh man. So we should now be able to strap on our equipment. Oh, that's so nice. I don't know how my barrel just did that, but I believe that was on camera. I think that was on camera. Let's try that again. Yeah, we pretty much went upside down. I don't know. Maybe that was just me and the Mandela effect. I don't know. But yeah, let's keep going on. We're about to load this Jeep up. Unboxing of the Tiny 4x4 scale straps. Oh man. Go on tiny4x4.com. Check out tiny4x4.com. Orlando Hunter scale parts. The Gecko. I'm going to get that truck. I gotta order some more of my little gas cans too from Extra Speed. I'm gonna try and print some, and then I'm gonna order some more, and then I'm gonna compare mine versus the Extra Speeds. Alright, how about this? We'll set this one under this strap just like this. It's so cool. And then we'll strap the oil can, and we'll throw that there. So you get 3 straps in the package. They're easy to strap on with the big hooks. Looks super scale. I'm going right outside and I'm going for a crawl. Oh no, I gotta go get batteries. I just like strapping these on. And I believe Don's got more stuff on the Tiny 4x4 website. I haven't, okay, 2 straps. I guess that's scale. But we'll go ahead and put 1 strap for my Mitsubishi. So now we got a strap for him. I gotta order some more parts from Tiny 4x4, but also Don sent me some extra things to unbox and do a review on. So without further ado, first thing we're gonna look at is this right here that's taped up. Oh, look at that. This is the grill that he was messaging me about. 3D printed Raptor grill. Says Ford. Oh, thank you, Don. That's epic. We're gonna do a review. On his site, there's a CNC. It's way better quality. But he gave me this. This is like the prototype. Wow, that's really cool. See, I wonder if I can design something like that and print that on my printer. I mean, that looks almost like a SLA did it, but you can see the lines where the 3D printer did it. It's just probably did with a 0.3 nozzle or a 0.2 nozzle. Wow, that looks really cool. Forward. That's gonna go right on my Orlandoo. Oh, it even just changed the look of the truck. Oh, yeah, we got some work going on in the garage now. And then these, I believe these are running boards. Or, yeah, I think these are like the diamond plate running boards. All this, like I said, the grill would be in CNC metal. You wouldn't get it in plastic, but it'd be way better quality. It'd be metal like this. This is like a running board. This is really cool. Oh, he's got so many scale stuff on his shop. He's got these cool little jack stands that I want to order. Oh man, look at this. Diamond plate running. Oh, that's so sick. I'm not a fan of like a lot of chrome, but that brings that out. Brings those rims out. So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put it on. Oh, that looks good. Looks really good. And then next, I'm gonna pause it right now because we're just live running right now. Because I don't want to mess up this name on this next part. But it's a light. It's a light setup. Let's see here. Oh, look at this. And we get some cool Switzerland advertisement here. Thank you very much. I like that. But I want to go on tiny4x4.com real quick and look up the name of this. But it's a 4 light board. I don't see. I believe I'm like butchering it. I gotta go look this up online real quick. But you get 4 SMDs, blinkers, and then you get your controller, so that way you can just plug it right in, and you got your SMDs. So let me go look this up real quick. Tiny 4x4. This is where you want to go for all your scale. Here, let's go to the home so you guys see what the home looks like. Bam! You got that awesome Jeep. All these are his builds. These are all Don's builds. Go check out Don Gargon's website on YouTube. He's got some awesome crawlers. That's one of those Auto Rock RC Gecko 24. Another Orlandoo. That's another Gecko. Man, them Land Cruisers look good. There's his custom built. But alright, we're gonna go over here to shop. And we're gonna go to scale accessories, right? No. We actually want to go to electronics. Oh, well, we'll look at the scale accessories. This net, that's the next thing I want to buy. And here is the cargo straps. He's got a shovel. Metal shovels. What? Oh, I need some of those. That's what I need. More crates. I want one of those nets. Alright, let's go to electronics. Alright, this is what it is. It's a blinker circuit with 4 times SMD lights. Alright, so we'll be able to hook this up and have lights and blinkers. So you get a blinker circuit for 118th, 124, 135th, 132, 135th model cars, powered, pre-wired. And then they also have brushed ESCs. But we are going to do a review on that. It looks good. It was built right. Everything, all the solders is good. I don't know if these extra little holes here, I don't know if that's for like extra lights, if you can run red SMDs and white SMDs. I'm not for sure. I'm gonna message Don and ask him, but let's go ahead and open up the package on it. Alright, back at the garage. Let's take a look at it. It's like Christmas. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I like to say 1,000,000 times. Oh, it's super small. Oh yeah, that's gonna fit. That'll fit perfect. We already got our lights, turn signals. So these probably like blink. What I'm thinking is when you turn left and right, they probably correspond and blink to you know, which way you turn, which would be sweet. You know, it says 4 light blinker circuit, so I guess you could turn around and say that the long ones could be the rear, and then you could say the 2 short ones could be the front. Yeah, it's kind of like wired up like that. It's wired up real good. So you got your leads here, probably where you can, I'm not really sure, but maybe plug this in from the steering servo input, and then this one probably goes into the receiver. And then, like I said, I don't know what these 4 extra sides are for, but that'd be cool if you can wire up some more SMDs on here, just for like running lights. Oh, I moved it around too much. I gotta do a little solder work on it, just right there. But that's cool though, because everything is still there. And all I gotta do is just heat up the solder. That was from me bending the wire too much. But this is really sweet. I'm gonna figure out if I can use it on the BRZ drift car. Alright, sorry about my camera cutting out. Just want to say this is epic. Thank you, Don. I'm gonna install this on something. Message you about what these other 2 openings is, if that's for power for SMDs or LEDs. That way I can let everybody know. I'll give a link to the description down in the page. I want to say like, share, subscribe, and as always, God bless, peace and love. The Lord loves you just like you guys love everybody. He loves everybody. You know, no matter what you're going through, He's always looking out for you. Yeah, so yeah, we're gonna get out there and we're gonna have some fun today, you guys. God bless, and you guys stay true to yourselves. Let me know in the comments what color I should paint the BRZ and everything. But yeah, this is like Christmas here, man. I wasn't even expecting to dress up my truck, but I'm able to dress up my baby. The 4 grill. We got this blinker set up here. This is epic, Don. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put a tiny 4x4 sticker. I'm gonna put it right up there. That's gonna be nice. All right, peace out.